everyone, today I have noodle soup with extreme pork bones and blood cakes. Please come to the kitchen with me. I will show you how I make it. It's so yummy. Thank you. Welcome to Saigon Cook Travel. I am Saigon Cook. If you're new to my channel, please like, share my video and subscribe to my channel. That means a lot to me. You are the reason I'm here. I like to share everything I know with you. So I have 1 kilogram of pork neck bones and on other vegetables to go to the pot, and here the noodles. That all we need. To make the pork flavorful and not smelly, I blanch the pork first. So in the water there is 1 tablespoon of salt and vinegar. And I blanch it 3-5 minutes, not cook too long, but it's enough time to remove the smell and the impurity. Now I back with my pan and I add 8 cups of water, and on that onions, ginger, shallot, garlic into it, and 1 special ingredient, that is whole black peppercorn. The black peppercorn will act very nicely to warm up the soup and warm you from the inside. So you cook that until it's tender and remove the scum when the scum rises on the surface. And then you season. I season with salt, pepper, fish sauce and soy sauce. Just that simple. Remember, continue remove scums. And during this time, I also blanch my noodle into the soup. You can blanch the noodle separately in boiling water, but because we eat at home, we don't need to sell to anyone. So I just blanch dry inside my stock pot, and that's it. I'm happy with the taste, and my pork bone is tender, and I added the blood cake because the blood cake when we bought they already cooked, and then now I present it in the bowl, and that's it. You are invited. Thank you for watching. I see you next time. Bye bye.